Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a powerful session, probably the most powerful Google session that I teach, and that's coming to Fair Texas Title McKinney on December 15th from 12:30 to 3:30. This is going to be a hands-on workshop, so those that are attending in person, bring your laptop. Those that are going to be joining us on Zoom, you're still going to be able to do the workshop. This is going to be a 3-hour CE certified course for the state of Texas, but anybody can join this class because this is applicable to any business owner that's out there. Real estate agent in Texas, real estate agent in another country, another state, business owners all across the world. These are elements that I'm going to share with you. They're going to help to build and grow your business big time. And this is the perfect session to lead into 2023. So join us at Fair Texas Title McKinney on December 15th from 12:30 to 3:30 for this power session on Google. All you got to do is click the link below to get registered. Thanks.